Sometimes when we think about tomorrow, we feel a little unsure.
Yes, tomorrow feels close but also far.
We think about work, plans, or rest.
We think, what will happen tomorrow?
Today, we talk about tomorrow
In simple words,
in calm English.
you are in the right place.
Welcome to Mr. Fluent English.
Let's relax together.
Hi, Ray.
Hi, Mia. How are you today?
I am good. I feel calm today.
That's nice. I feel okay too.
Today's topic feels very close to life.
Yes, everyone thinks about tomorrow.
Some people feel excited.
Some people feel worried.
Both feelings are normal.
Very normal.
We will talk slowly.
We will use easy words.
Friends, if you like calm English like this,
Please like this video
subscribe to Mr. Fluent English.
and share it with someone learning English.
So, Ray, when you hear the word tomorrow, what do you feel?
I feel curious.
Curious. That is a nice word.
Yes, I think about my plans.
Small plans or big plans?
Mostly small plans,
Like what?
like waking up early,
Waking up early.
having tea.
Tea is important.
Yes. Then I think about work.
Work comes to mind quickly.
Yes. How about you, Mia?
I think about rest.
Rest is good.
I think, will I feel relaxed tomorrow?
That is a good thought.
Sometimes tomorrow feels busy.
Sometimes tomorrow feels slow.
When tomorrow feels busy, I feel tired today.
I understand that feeling.
Do you ever worry about tomorrow?
Yes, sometimes.
What do you worry about?
I worry about time.
Time goes fast.
Very fast.
I worry about finishing my tasks.
Tasks can feel heavy.
But talking helps.
Yes, talking makes things lighter.
That is why we talk today.
We talk about tomorrow together.
In English.
Slow English.
Simple English.
Friends, tomorrow can be simple.
You can say, tomorrow I will work.
Or tomorrow I will rest.
Or tomorrow I will meet a friend.
Very easy sentences.
When I plan tomorrow, I feel calm.
Planning helps the mind.
But too much planning feels stressful.
Yes, balance is important.
Tomorrow is one day.
Just one day.
We don't need to solve everything today.
That feels comforting.
Let's talk more about daily tomorrow plans.
Yes, like morning plans.
In the morning tomorrow, I will wake up at 7.
I will wake up at 6.
You wake up early.
I try. Sometimes I fail.
Failing is okay.
Yes, tomorrow is another chance.
That is a good thought about tomorrow.
Tomorrow is a new chance.
A new chance feels hopeful.
Yes, tomorrow gives us hope.
Some people say, tomorrow will be better.
I like that sentence.
It feels soft.
It feels positive.
When I feel tired today, I tell myself that.
Tomorrow will be better.
Exactly.
What do you usually do in the evening when you think about tomorrow?
I sit quietly.
Quiet time helps.
I think about one or two things only.
Not many things.
Yes, if I think too much, my head feels full.
I feel the same.
Sometimes I write my plans.
Write on paper?
Yes, just simple words.
Like wake up, eat, work.
Yes, very simple.
That makes tomorrow feel easy.
Easy is good.
Do you talk to people about tomorrow?
Sometimes.
Who do you talk to?
A friend.
What do you say?
I say, tomorrow I feel busy.
Or tomorrow I feel free.
Yes, both are common.
When I feel free tomorrow, I feel happy today.
That happiness comes early.
Yes, it comes today.
Tomorrow can change today's feeling.
That is interesting.
If tomorrow feels hard, today feels heavy.
If tomorrow feels calm, today feels light.
So our thoughts matter,
Thoughts are powerful.
but we keep them simple.
Simple thoughts are kinder.
Let's talk about language now.
Yes, simple English for tomorrow.
We often say, tomorrow I will.
Tomorrow I will work.
Tomorrow I will study.
Tomorrow I will rest.
We can also say, tomorrow I am going to.
Tomorrow I am going to meet a friend.
Both are okay.
Very okay.
No stress.
No pressure.
When learners hear tomorrow, they feel scared.
Yes, they think grammar.
But today, no grammar.
Only speaking.
Only feeling.
Friends, you can speak slowly.
You can pause.
You can think.
English waits for you.
It does not run away.
That makes me smile.
Me too.
Tomorrow, English will still be here.
And the day after tomorrow too.
So take your time.
We are here with you. And when we talk about tomorrow, we often use time words.
Yes, time words help us feel clear.
Words like morning,
Afternoon,
evening.
night.
Tomorrow morning feels fresh.
I like tomorrow morning
Why do you like it?
because it feels quiet.
Quiet is nice.
Tomorrow afternoon feels busy for me.
Busy with work?
Yes, a little work.
Tomorrow evening feels soft.
Soft is a good word.
I relax in the evening.
I drink tea.
I drink water.
Simple plans.
Simple life.
When people ask you, what about tomorrow?
I answer slowly.
What do you say?
I say, tomorrow I will work a little.
And then?
Then I will rest.
That sounds balanced.
Balance feels good.
Some people feel scared about tomorrow.
Yes, they feel unsure.
Unsure means not sure.
Not clear in the mind.
That is normal.
Very normal.
When I feel unsure, I say one small plan.
One small plan helps.
Like, tomorrow I will wake up early.
Or, tomorrow I will eat breakfast.
Yes, easy things.
Easy plans calm the mind.
Calm is a good feeling.
Calm helps English too.
When we are calm, we speak better.
Slow and clear.
Friends, you can say tomorrow many times.
Tomorrow is a friendly word.
It is not scary.
It is just another day.
Another chance.
Another step.
When tomorrow comes, it becomes today.
That is funny.
Yes, today was yesterday's tomorrow.
I like that idea.
It makes time feel simple.
Not heavy.
Let us share a small story.
Yes, a simple story.
Yesterday, I felt tired.
I remember.
I told myself, tomorrow I will rest.
And today?
Today, I feel better.
So tomorrow helped you.
Yes, just the thought.
Thoughts can change feelings.
Slow thoughts.
Kind thoughts.
Friends, you can use tomorrow to feel hope.
You can say it softly.
Tomorrow I will try.
That sentence is enough.
Now let us look at some words we already used.
Yes, words you hear every day.
The word tomorrow means the day after today.
Very simple.
If today is Monday, tomorrow is Tuesday.
Good example.
The word morning is the early part of the day.
Like when you wake up.
Yes, you wake up in the morning.
The word afternoon is after morning.
After lunchtime.
The word evening is after afternoon.
When the sun goes down.
The word night is late.
When we sleep.
We also used the word busy.
Busy means many things to do.
Work, tasks, calls.
We used the word free.
Free means no work.
Time for yourself.
We used the word calm.
Calm means quiet inside.
No stress.
We used the word unsure.
Unsure means not sure.
Not clear in the mind.
These words are common.
You can use them every day.
Let us say some easy examples.
Tomorrow I am busy.
Tomorrow I am free.
Tomorrow morning I work.
Tomorrow evening I rest.
Short sentences are okay.
You do not need long sentences.
English likes simple.
Simple feels friendly.
If you forget a word, pause.
Pausing is okay.
Take a breath.
Then continue.
English is patient.
We are patient too.
You are doing well.
Yes, very well. Now let us practice together.
Yes, speak with us slowly.
You can speak loud or soft.
Just speak.
Listen first.
Then repeat.
Tomorrow I will work.
Tomorrow I will work.
Good.
Very good.
Tomorrow I will rest.
Tomorrow I will rest.
Nice.
Feel the words.
Tomorrow morning I wake up early.
Tomorrow morning I wake up early.
Great.
One more.
Tomorrow evening I relax.
Tomorrow evening I relax.
Perfect.
You can change the words.
Use your life.
Tomorrow I study.
Tomorrow I meet a friend.
You choose.
Your English.
Your voice.
Speak slowly.
No rush.
No fear.
Every small sentence helps.
Practice makes comfort.
Comfort brings confidence.
Confidence grows step by step.
Friends, you are brave.
Yes, speaking is brave.
Even one sentence is enough.
Tomorrow you will speak again.
And again.
And again.
Before we go, let us talk with you.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
Think about tomorrow for a moment.
Just one small thought.
What will you do tomorrow?
Maybe work.
Maybe rest.
Maybe meet someone.
Write one simple sentence in the comments.
You can write, tomorrow I will work.
Or, tomorrow I will rest.
Any sentence is good.
Your sentence matters.
Your voice matters.
We read your comments.
We feel happy when you share.
It helps other learners too.
We are all learning together.
Slowly.
Calmly.
Day by day.
Before we end, take a breath.
Feel calm.
Feel proud.
You practiced English today.
That is a big step.
Tomorrow you can practice again.
Even 1 minute is good.
English grows with time.
Like a small plant.
Water it every day.
A little is enough.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for staying with us.
If this helped you, like the video.
Subscribe to Mr. Fluent English.
Share it with a friend.
We will meet you again.
With more calm English.
More simple talk.
Take care.
Speak slowly.
See you tomorrow.